Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is an absolutely fabulous but easy recipe from Nigella Lawson's Cook, Eat, Repeat. Superb book. I want to go right back to the basics at the beginning of the book where it covers A for anchovies. This dish is superb, tried it before, simple, and I'm also going to put it under the 10-minute meal playlists. So it's going to be the one and only spaghetti with chard, chili and anchovies. So yes, the key ingredient here is anchovies, which really gives that umami, which is that taste threshold, which is almost like a savoury taste. And it's very much a taste which is associated with mushrooms and real savoury taste, which is absolutely fabulous. And really to move away from sweet foods and more into savoury, this is a key ingredient. So yes, the key ingredients you need, of course, you need your spaghetti. I've got two different ones here. Always make sure you buy the bronze dye because that way it soaks up those flavours. Next, you're going to use either chard. I'm going to use the cavolo nero, fresh garlic if you can, fresh red chilies, but you can also cheat and use some of the chili and garlic sauce, which is pre-prepared. And then I'm going to use some red chili flakes, olive oil. The cheese we're going to use to grate over the top, we're going to use the pecorino romano, which is superb. As Nigella states in her book though, the Italians don't normally have cheese on pasta which has fish in. Who makes the rules? We do. The anchovy fillets, and it's always good to use the tins. That's where it's really got that punch, that flavour. There's a lot of bad press about anchovies. A lot of people don't like them, but as Nigella's quite rightly discussed, if you put this in and don't tell anyone, they'll say it's amazing and they won't even know the anchovies are in. It is mind over matter. But if you're a vegetarian and don't want to use anchovies, you can use several different ingredients. You could actually use Marmite, or you could use a miso paste. I've actually got this great taste umami, which is actually vegan. Taste bomb, really good. And of course, a real thing that is talked about in the vegan world, which is the nutritional yeast. You could actually adapt this recipe to however you want. So, let's get going. And then this is finally ready. The kitchen smells absolutely pungent. The simplicity of this dish is just remarkable. So it's all about the flavours, the textures. And here we have it. So I'm just gonna serve some of this up onto a plate for my gorgeous wife when she finishes work. So, wow. Smells absolutely amazing. So just to polish it off, we're going to put some chilies over the top and put some of the Parmesan cheese. Nice little splattering of chilies. You can put a bit of parsley on there, put whatever you want. We make up our own rules. So here we have it, the spaghetti with Chard, chilies and anchovies. Absolutely superb. I'm just going to try this. Wow, sounds so basic, but really, just incredible. The anchovies just transforms this dish. An absolute work of art from Nigella, from the one and only Cook, Eat, Repeat cookbook. Absolutely brilliant. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do also check out my playlist for Nigella recipes and also pasta dishes. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please make sure you turn on your notifications to alert you for recipes every fortnight at 4 o'clock on Tuesdays. Please also do make sure you subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. I'm also looking forward to feedback and ideas of what your favourite recipes are from Cook, Eat, Repeat. Enjoy.